Benedict's test for reducing sugars. Method. Step 1. If the test sample is liquid, add 2 cubic centimeter of it in a boiling tube. If the test sample is solid, crush it in pestle and mortar with distilled water to prepare an extract. Take 2 cubic centimeter of this extract in a boiling tube. Add equal volume of Benedict's reagent into the boiling tube. Heat the boiling tube in a water bath at 80 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 minutes. Positive result. If the color changes to green or yellow or orange or brick red, it indicates the presence of reducing sugars. Negative result is indicated when the solution remains blue, signaling the absence of reducing sugars. Benedict's test can be used as semi-quantitative test for assessing the quantity of reducing sugars present in the food sample, by comparing the color changes. Result interpretation for semi-quantitative test. Blue. Negative. No reducing sugar. Green. Traces of sugar. Yellow. Low concentration. Orange. Moderate concentration. Brick red. High concentration. Safety precautions for Benedict's test. Use a water bath. Never heat tubes directly over a flame. Use boiling water to prevent splashing of liquid out of the tube. Safety precaution for Benedict's test: use test tube holders to move hot glassware. Never use your bare hands. Wear safety goggles to prevent eye damage from splashes.